Now I can only apologise, ladies and gentlemen, about the dust. There is nothing we can do. We have to make the most of it. We'll try and respect you guys out there and keep it to a minimum. But obviously, this arena has been sunbathed for 5 days now. There is not a shred of grass on it. It was a stubble field and it is very, very dusty. So we'll try and keep the dust down to a minimum as we demonstrate to you. Do you want to see some damage? Yeah! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go! Do you want to see some damage? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at that! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go! Jump there from Christopher. Lovely. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to leave these cars here. We're going to bring out the standing stunt team, and it's time for the standing stunt team. But first of all, will you please make some noise for the stars of the show? They're the trucks themselves, Big Pete and the Grim Reaper! Make some noise for your driver here today, my younger brother, Mr. Christopher Murphy! Don't forget, Mini Monster Truck Mania down there for the kids to drive, Big Pete and Grim Reaper. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Oh, Big Pete didn't win. Grim Reaper got the biggest half. There is carnage all around the arena. The seats have been ripped off. The doors are hanging on by a thread, ladies and gentlemen. Hey folks, it's time to drop off the two halves, and this is where the serious part starts, as it is time in the arena. We're going to do a couple of laps first of all, just so that you can get to see this marvel of engineering. So if you like what you see here today, don't forget to let us know on social media. BigPete.org is the website. We've got Big Pete on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And this all came about because for years I've been going around telling people that Big Pete is the only real monster truck in the world. And a real truck should have a trailer, ladies and gentlemen. The idea has been in my head for some 12 plus years now, and eventually this winter, with encouragement and a lot of help from my good friends, we got around to making it happen. And the intention was always to make it go over the cars. We approached the people at Jost and said we want to make a trailer to go over strap cars behind a monster truck. And once they'd finished laughing at us, they said, we'll give you the equipment and you do what you want with it. Very, very good of people at Jost to support this somewhat stupid idea. So, ladies and gentlemen, making sure the cars are nice and level. Then I'm going to get Big Pete down into low box, into four-wheel drive. I need to try and get the trailer as straight and true as possible behind the truck. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, history in the making, the world's first articulated monster truck and trailer. What about it, Steve Fair? Do you want to see some trailer damage? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. Safely over first time. Let's bring it around. Let's try that one more time. A huge thank you to you people for coming out to see us. Thanks for sticking around and being patient. Now, yesterday my dad said, it'd be really nice if you could just try and get a little bit of air under the front wheels. And to be honest, I think he's wrong in his head. Let's see what happens. Get your cameras ready, folks. Just a little bit harder. Just a little bit more throttle. But with a bit more noise. Do you want to see one more? Yes! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, come on, put your hands together for the team that helped me make this happen. For what you've just witnessed here today, the world's first car-crushing monster truck and trailer. Steve Fair, this was for you. Thank you very much on behalf of me and all the performers in the arena. Arena 2, it's been a pleasure to work for you and in front of you today. We love you very much, Steve Fair. Thank you and goodbye.